Place an NPN transistor and an N-channel MOSFET. These symbols use Devmap to set footprint and pinout. Devmap files are stored in a library on the disk. To keep the sheet self-contained and portable, the compiler creates a local copy of the devmaps referenced by symbols on the sheet. This local copy is called the Sheet Local Devmap Library and holds one copy of each devmap used on the sheet in the sheet file. This Sheet Local Devmap Library has a separate subtree in the Devmap Library window. The hash button will open a list of all symbols on the sheet that uses the selected devmap. Since entries are added to the local devmap lib automatically, the listing is updated automatically too, and the refresh button doesn't work on the local lib. When a library is non-local, the refresh button rereads that directory and updates the tree to reflect the current state of the file system. Back to the local lib. What if a devmap file changes on disk? The sheet still has its older copy embedded in the local lib. There's a refresh button for overwriting the embedded local lib data from the external lib using the normal library search mechanism by devmap name. After editing a devmap file on disk, select it in the local lib of the sheet and click the refresh button with the E in it. If multiple devmaps have changed on disk, it is possible to get all devmaps refreshed in the Sheet Local lib using the maintenance menu to clean the local devmap lib. This removes all devmaps cached in the current sheet. Next time the sheet is compiled, sch-rnd will figure the devmaps are not available in the Sheet Local lib and will load them from the disk, and the local lib entry is restored with the fresh version.